If you give me 30 seconds, I'll show you how to get a one-way flight to Paris for only $85 with one credit card sign-up bonus. So assuming you already know what sign-up bonuses are, we'll skip that part and we'll start to collect now. If you get the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card offering 50,000 points after spending $4,000 in 3 months, then you transfer over 22,000 Chase points to Air France Flying Blue Miles. It transfers over at a 1-to-1 ratio. Then you go to the Air France website and we'll look at peak tourist season. We'll do New York to Paris in July 20th, and it's only 22,000 miles and $85.25 in taxes. A great deal, which means you'll have plenty of points left over for hotel or return trip or whatever else you want to do. Just remember that when you transfer Chase points over to Air France, they won't be able to be transferred back, so it's important to make sure that there's availability with Air France before transferring. If you like this video and want to watch more tutorials just like this, hit the subscribe button on this screen. My name is David, founder of WiseFly's up-and-coming YouTube channel teaching about credit cards and travel points so you could travel anywhere in the world almost free, publishing 2 to 3 videos per week. So hit the subscribe button and come hang out with me on my channel.